boarding door is now closed. You may continue to use your mobile devices as long as they are set in airplane mode. Federal regulation prohibits the use of the cellular network during the flight. The use of the Wi-Fi to make the video of the voice call is not allowed. We are now almost ready to go, so please take your seat, fasten your seatbelt, store your tray table and the carry-on items, ensure the aisle armrests are in the resting position. Flight attendant, I'm down for departure. Welcome aboard. Welcome to Delta Flight 1589 service to Miami. My name is Ani. I'm the flight leader of today's flight. Our crew of 4 Seattle-based flight attendants are excited to take care of you. We extend a special welcome to all SkyMiles and Midland members. We appreciate you to continue to trust us with your travel. Before we depart, please direct your attention to the video screen for the brief presentation. If your video monitor is not working, please ring the call light to let us know.
Welcome aboard, and thank you for flying with Delta. We are the first U.S. airline to reach the 100-year mark. We got here by taking care of each other, taking care of our customers, showing up every single day. Now sit back, relax, and please pay attention to this important safety presentation. Welcome aboard, and thank you for choosing Delta. 100 years to be counting. Delta Airline. The health and safety of our customers and crew is our #1 priority, and the shared responsibility of everyone on board. So, before we depart, please pay attention to this important message. Stow all carry-on items in an overhead bin and place smaller items completely under the seat in front of you.
Larger electronic devices must be placed in a bag. Handheld portable electronic devices, including mobile phones, should also be secured.
Keep the aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas clear. If you lose an electronic device in your seat, please do not adjust your seat and ask a crew member for help.
As we leave the gate, fasten your seatbelt by inserting the metal tip into the buckle and adjusting the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release, lift the top of the buckle. Stay seated with your seatbelt fastened when the seatbelt sign is on, and keep it fastened whenever you're seated in case of sudden road tear. In the event of road tear, the crew might also need to buckle up for safety. We appreciate your understanding if our service is interrupted.
Federal regulations require all passengers to comply with all crew members' instructions, along with the posted placard. and lighted information signs throughout the cabin. Smoking, vaping, the use of e-cigarettes or any smokeless product, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors.
There are 10 exits on this plane, 6 doors, 3 on each side, and 4 window exits over the wings. Each door has a detachable slide that can be used as a ramp. Additional ramps are located in a ceiling compartment in the forward section of the plane and at the back of the plane. The rear 2 window exits have an escape strap attached inside the window frame, which can be used to assist in the water evacuation onto the wing. In the event of an evacuation, leave all bags behind. Carry and baggage will slow the evacuation. All exits are clearly marked with exit signs. Locate the nearest exit, and remember, they might be behind you. If we lose power, lights will illuminate the aisles to guide you to an exit.
It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, oxygen masks will drop from the panels above your seat and inside the lavatories. Reach up and pull a mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering and place the mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note the oxygen is flowing, so don't worry if the bag doesn't inflate. Be sure to adjust your own mask before helping others.
A water evacuation is also unlikely, but just in case, life vests are in a compartment beneath or adjacent to your seat. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then opening the pouch. With the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, attach it to the buckle in front, and adjust securely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom, or manually inflate it by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. For children under 35 pounds, place the vest around their waist and secure the strap between the legs. See your safety card for more information. Additional life vests for in-lab children are in marked compartments at the front and rear of the plane. We'll distribute these vests if necessary. Before we take off, bring your seat to its upright position and stow your tray table. Be sure you fastened your seatbelt low and tight across your lap. Carry-on items secure, and armrests are at resting position. Finally, take a moment to review the safety information card in your seat pocket.
As we finish our safety check, please let us know if you have any questions.
As we take off into the future, sit back and relax. And from all of our crew, thank you for flying with Delta, today and for the next 100 years.
Thank you for paying attention to this important safety message.
You're flying on the most connected aircraft to date. Equipped with fast, free Delta Sync Wi-Fi and Delta Sync seatback, all available for free with your SkyMiles membership. Use your personal device to sign in to Delta Sync Wi-Fi and enjoy access to unlimited streaming, browsing, and messaging, plus exclusive offers and experiences from brands you love. Simply switch your device to airplane mode and turn Wi-Fi on. Next, choose the DeltaWiFi.com network. If the Wi-Fi sign-in page does not open, go to DeltaWiFi.com using your browser. Sign in with your SkyMiles account. If you don't have a SkyMiles account, it's fast and free to sign up. But the connection doesn't stop there. Our Delta Sync seatback screen brings a smarter, more personalized experience right to your seat. We've got you covered with real-time travel updates and connecting flight information, plus thousands of hours of new movies and trending series with recommendations just for you. Pick up where you left off with our resume watching feature and add your favorites to my list. To access, click the login button on the top right of the seatback screen. Then use your mobile device to scan the QR code and follow the instructions on the Fly Delta app to securely log in. Shortly after we've arrived at the gate, you'll be automatically logged out of your seatback screen. Make the most of your travel time and stay connected all flight long with Delta Sync.
The cabin light will be dim during the flight. If you need additional lighting, you may use your personal reading light, which locate on the panel above your seat next to the flight attendant's call button.
Grandmother. Thank you so much. and gentlemen, from the flight deck number 4 takeoff, flight attendants, please prepare the cam for departure.
airline partners, thank you for helping us celebrate 100 years in flight. A party on this flight is safe, clean, and comfortable experience for you. For your safety, please stay seated with your seatbelt securely fastened in case we experience unexpected ground air. Please use the closure of an opening overhangment. As items may have shifted during takeoff, and keep the aisle clear for any potential trip hazards like bags or bag straps. Federal regulation require all the customers to comply with crew member instructions and prohibit the use of their cellular network during the flight. The use of the Wi-Fi to make the voice of the video call is not allowed. Information on approved electronic devices can be found on the safety information card in your seat pocket. The laboratories are refreshed throughout the flight. When you do notice a tiny laboratory, please let the flight attendants know. Fast free Delta Sync Wi-Fi is available on today's flights for SkyMiles members. If you're not yet a SkyMiles members, it's free and easy to join. Connect to the DeltaWiFi.com network. If a login window doesn't appear, type DeltaWiFi.com into a new browser to begin. And on today's flight, our new Delta seat back screens are available. If you have a connection in Miami, you can log in into your seat back screen to unlock the real-time trip notification and connecting gate information. Even when seatbelt sign is off, please keep your seatbelt fastened while seated in case of unexpected ground air. We invite you to enjoy the complimentary entertainment and variety complimentary Coca-Cola beverages and snacks. Alcohol beverages and